You ready for this?
I'm made for this. I'm made for this. Them say the fittest are the fittest shall survive. Keep your eyes on the prize and never lose sight.
I don't even know where to start, but there we go. I just got this today. I need a scissors. An Anker charger. The next thing is from Painted Co. Hold on. So we got the painted Frickle stick. I don't want to open it because I know who I'm going to give this to, so I'm excited for that. And then, you know how long I wanted this? I'm praying and hoping that it's going to be my shade, because if it's too light, it might not look good with me. This I'm planning on keeping, so I'm going to open it for you guys to see. It's looking kind of light. By the way, I win this from the live giveaway, so yes. Oh my gosh, the packaging is so cute. Oh, I don't know. You think it's going to work with me? So you have the cream and then you have the powder. So the cream blush and the powder blush. This is so cute. Let me know what you guys think. Should I keep it or should I gift it to someone? The next thing is from Makeup Shack. I've never gotten anything from them, and this will be the first. Ooh, this is what I got. It's so cute. I don't even know what this is. Oh, it's a makeup bag. This is from Maylis. The packaging is so cute. So cute. This is like a little makeup bag, and they have the logo in the front. It's pink inside, and look, it is huge. It is a huge bag, so you can hold a lot in it. So I'm thinking on stuffing this with makeup. I don't know if you missed my huge unboxing video I did maybe a month or two ago here on YouTube, and if you did not check out that video, go and check it out. On that video I mentioned that when I hit 5k subscribers here on YouTube, I will be doing a huge giveaway. So if you missed that video, go and check that out. This is basically a continuation because I'm still collecting for that giveaway, so you don't want to miss it. So this one is also from Painted, and I am so excited for this right here. You have no idea. You have no idea. And I'm trying not to break these nails. It's been a while since I had long nails, and let me tell you, it's cute, but it's been a while. That's all I can say. It's been a while. I've wanted this. Oh my gosh, it's actually heavy. I was not expecting that. Okay, look at the colors. Look at the colors. They have two eyeshadow palettes if I'm not mistaken, and I want both of them. So at least I got my hands on the first one. Look at the colors. Look at the packaging. Let's get this open. I'm too excited. I don't know if you're ready for this. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I always see this online, but it actually have a texture to it. Oh my gosh, look at it. Are you I'm scared. I don't even know if I'm ready to open it. Like, if you have no idea how long I wanted it. So this is the Painted Basic Canvas. You ready? Oh my gosh, hold on. This feels so heavy and expensive. So this is how it is looking. It is so cute. Oh my gosh, let me show you. I love that they have the shimmer and then the solid. Shimmer, solid, shimmer, the same thing here. Like, this is so smart. A palette with black and brown and a nude kind of beige color is good. Oh my gosh, you got the orange. So you know what I mean. I have to do an eye look with this right here. I'm so excited and I cannot wait. If you would love to see me do an eye look with this right here, leave it in the comments down below. And yes, I think I'm most excited about this one right here, to be honest. But we still have a lot more, so let's keep on going. Let me go get some more stuff. P. Louise will always have the best packaging, hands down. Like, just look at that beauty. So let me push this aside. Okay, I don't even remember what this is, so we're gonna figure this out together. Shout out to you, P. Louise, because every time I get a package from you, just the packaging alone makes me happy. So this is an eyeshadow palette looking like a cassette. Is it a cassette or a video player? Oh yes, a cassette tape shape. So this is the P. Louise high quality HD palette. You ready for this? These are the colors. This is how it looks. This is so cute. This is so cute. I will be gifting this to one of you guys. So this will be going in the box of part of the giveaway. Next, another P. Louise package, and this one is shaky. So this one have in the hand lotion. I'm not gonna smell it because I'm gonna be gifting it to one of you guys, so I'm not even gonna test it out or anything. I hope you guys are following, sharing as much as you can, so your friends and family could follow me, so we could hit that goal quick. Okay, this one is from ColourPop. You trying to break one of my nails. I think that's exactly what you're trying to do, and it's not gonna happen today. What's going on with this box? How to open this? Oh. This is the Baby Got Peach eyeshadow palette. Let me show you. So these are the peach colors. This is perfect to travel with because it's not too big. Next box. This one is from Baskin Ladder. Baskin Ladder sell hair products. And this is the hydrating mist. Perfect. Say for example, this right here is kind of crunchy because I use a lot of mousse. I could always spray this just to hydrate it and loosen it up, because it sounds crunchy because I just didn't use a lot of mousse, and mousse makes it hard. So this will be perfect for that. And I will be gifting this to one of you guys. I don't even know who this is from, so let's just get it open. Cosrx? I don't know, but this is from them. This is the Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. So that's what it is. And this will be going a part of the giveaway. Ah, it's P. Louise. It's so weird to see P. Louise send something in a different box apart from the packaging. I'm keeping this from opening it. But you see how the packaging is? Like, they are so smart when it comes to smart and creative. They are so creative when it comes to their packaging. So it is 3 different blushes. I don't want to come out the box. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. Let's see how it looks. Okay. Oh, I think this is gonna be perfect for me. So let me see. Oh, this is how this one is looking. I don't know. It looks darker on this. It looks darker on this than when I put it on my hand. So this color I'm not sure about, but I already rub it on my hand. So I don't think I'm going to be giving it to anyone. So the one I swipe I will be keeping, but the other 2 I will be adding it to the giveaway, because I don't think it's going to be good for my complexion. Like, I feel like once I blend this out, it's gonna, you see it, you don't really see it, so it's not gonna work for me. Let's go grab some more boxes. No. You ready for this? I'm struggling. This is so good. This is so cute. No way. P. Louise, P. Louise. Why your packaging is so cute. Okay. Let's wiggle it. This is how it is looking. It's so cute. So it comes with 2 straws in the cup. Of course, I will be opening it right now. I thought it was small, but it's actually a big cup. Let me try and get the straw out. The straw is plastic, it's not glass. And I love these right here. It's so cute. So let's see if I use the teddy bear. It's so cute. Look at that. And then you could take it out if you don't want it. You can slide it out, but I'm not trying to play with it right now. It says P. Louise right here. So it says P. Louise Cuddle Cup. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. I'm spending too much time on this. The things that have me very excited is P. Louise and Painted. Those two, super excited. Let's move on. So I won this in a giveaway. I don't think you're ready for this right here. 2 pillows. I don't want to open it now, but it's a set of pillows. I want to clean my room and everything before I open this. I need to wash my sheets, wash my spreads and everything, but it's a set of pillows. Okay, so it's 2 pillows in it. And yes, I might just do a separate video with me opening it after I clean my room and fixing it on my bed and everything. So if you want to see it, leave a comment down below. But I'm so excited for this. Let me tell you, makeup get me excited, but when it comes to stuff for my room, bathroom and stuff like that, I get excited for that too, okay? I get excited for that. I get excited for shoes, for clothes. Yes, it's not just makeup that makes me happy, okay? So I have 3 different packages from Nailforia, and these are press-on nails. I've never tried this brand before. I've tried this brand. The Nail Vesta is the nails I'm using right now. This is how my nails is looking right now from Nail Vesta. So I'll be opening this one after this. Let's see. So it comes with the nail kit. It comes with the glue, the tweezer, the file, everything that you need. And I guess it comes with directions. And these are the nail set right here. That is cute, right? I will be gifting this to one of you guys. This one is so cute. I feel like this one's cream spring. This one is a perfect set for Christmas. So what I will be doing is putting it away for Christmas. This is how it looks. Look how cute. I surely will be putting this aside for Christmas. Oh, this one will be from the brand that I'm currently using, from Nail Vesta. And this is the look, and I will be gifting this to one of you guys as well. Hold on, I'm trying to open it. So this is how this one is looking, and I will be adding this to the giveaway. Next is from PLA. PLA Nails. I showed you guys some products from them in the past, so I'm excited to show you guys this right here. These are gel nail polishes, and that's this color. That's this color. Excited for the pink in the first 2 colors. So cute. Last color is like a baby pink. The light is so bright you can't really see it, but this shade of pink is perfect for spring. Next is from one of my favorite press-on nail brand, and this is from Glamnetic. Coldback Blue, Paris, Sanded, Guava Drop, Fairy Dust, Woman, Sprinkle, Gryffindor, Gold Digger, First Kiss, Siren Green, Hot Pink, Pinch Me. This is the nail remover. This is to take off the nail from the glue. Honey Dewy, Lilac Gray, Red Blossom, Pure Gray. And this is everything that will be a part of the giveaway. This I will be adding to, let me show you. It's going to be part of this bag of goodie. All of this is full of goodies. And I'm not done. It's going to be added in this box of goodies. I'm not playing with this 5K subscribers and followers on TikTok and on YouTube. Go and follow me so we can go ahead and hit to 5K. And each platform, when I hit 5K, I'll be doing a huge giveaway. So on TikTok, I'm close to 5K. On Instagram, I'm far from 5K, to be honest. And on YouTube, I need some help. So help me reach to 5K. Of course, I'm going to hit 5K on TikTok first. But whenever that time comes, I'll be doing a giveaway. So I can't wait. And yes guys, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, again, go and subscribe to your girl. I love you guys for watching. I love you even more for staying until the end.
When I find it, girl, I'm not moving. How you grooving it? Stay with me. Boy, boy.
This is how everything is looking up close.